Welcome back to another Crafty Workshop Builds video. Today, I'm going to be installing sequential taillights in an Mk6 GTI. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and stay tuned. The first thing that I'm going to remove is the lower tailgate trim cover, which is held on by two torque screws and some clips. The two screws are T20s. The screws are out, so now I'm going to carefully pry the panel to release the clips. Now that the panel is off, you can see that two of the clips got left into the trunk hatch. I'll remove and put them back into the cover later on. This is where all the clips are located. This will give you an idea as to where to apply the force when removing the cover. Now I'm going to remove the two lights on the hatch. These lights are held on with two 8mm nuts. Once the nuts and socket is removed, the taillight is free to come out. This is what the new light looks like. Now I'm going to install the light, the side cover for the light, and the two nuts. And now I will repeat the process for the other side. Now that the other side is done, I'm going to remove the upper liftgate trim cover. This cover is held on by clips, so I will carefully pry the panel to release the clips. Now that the panel is off, I will show you the location of the clips. Now I'm going to release the two rubber grommets, then remove the headliner panel. This is where the clips are located. Now I'm going to remove this 10mm nut, then pry away the panel. Once I remove the taillight connector socket and unscrew the plastic bolt, the taillight will be free to remove. I removed the taillight, then cleaned the area, and now this is what the new light looks like. I unclip the wire, then pass it through the panel hole, then reconnect the wire. I secured the taillight with the plastic bolt, then connect the two sockets. Now I'm going to fish the wire through and send it to the other light on the hatch. I'm going to use this wire to fish through the connector wire. The idea is to tape then pull it through the rubber grommet. I connect the wire to the socket, and now I'm going to secure the wire with zip ties.
And now I'm going to repeat the process on the other side. Remove the 10mm bolt, pry away the panel, then remove the old light and install the new light. This is what the new light looks like. I unclip the wire, then pass it through the panel hole, then reconnect the wire. I secured the taillight with the plastic bolt, then connect the socket. Now I'm going to fish through and send the wire to the other light on the hatch. And now I'm going to use the same technique to get this wire through the rubber grommet. I connect the wire to the socket, and now I'm going to secure the wire with zip ties and connect the last socket on the hatch. Now I'm going to put back the two trunk side panels and reinstall the trunk liner panel. I'm going to use the double-sided tape to stick and secure these two units to the hatch. This is what it looks like after everything is connected. Now would be a good time to test and make sure that the lights are working correctly, if you haven't already. I'm going to secure these two other units behind the carpet, and for the remaining panels, you can just install them in the reverse order of which you remove them.
And that's it for this one. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below, and thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.